This is the new VU500 single motor upright vacuum with a lot of desirable changes that we see in the industry. There's no height adjustments. It's a floating head that adjusts to any surface, hard floor or soft floor. Also a very unique cord management system where there's a clip style here where this whole thing can come right off for use, and when it's time to put it back, you just clip it right in place. This cord is also quick disconnect, so replacing the cord doesn't require any tools, so you can safely and swiftly change out cords that are damaged. As we turn this vacuum over, you'll see the vac shoe is a complete stainless steel material, and it's very nicely finished, so we don't have to worry about scratching or damaging any carpet. The door could not be easier to open and remove that brush. There's a simple lever there and the whole brush pops right out. Easy to access, easy to clean or replace, and with this new design here on the hub, it almost finds its way in there every time, and it's just that simple. In the upright position, this landing gear, we'll call it, the swivel caster, keeps this off the ground so the brush doesn't get a set. Once it's in the operator mode, this caster retracts, and this is balanced to the point where it's on the carpet at all times. That swivel is very important because it allows this machine to steer very easily. You're not fighting the wheel kind of follows the direction of the head. The debris comes off the floor once it goes past the roller brush, and it goes right through this hose, which comes out nice and straight and flexible, so if you have any obstructions in there, they're very easy to get to. And you can see it also as a spot that holds one of the tools that's on board here. This is the flexible crevice tool. So we'll slide that right back in. The other tool here is the extension wand, which you can use in corners or even up on the ceiling with the big stretch hose here. There's also a storage area for extra bags, so you don't have to go back to the supply room if the bag is full. This hose comes off for easy clean out and maintenance. If you have any obstructions in there, again, you can run a broomstick through there and you can get any obstructions out. Okay, we're going to come back to the vac bag compartment here. We're going to take off the door, and you'll see that the vac dust bag comes right out just like that. It's a 2-ply paper bag, and this apparatus here will prevent the door from going on without a bag in there, so you can't run this bagless, which protects the vac motor and other things. The next stage of filtration is this electrostatic microfilter. It says right there, replace with every 5 bags. When you buy a 10-pack of bags, you get 2 of those in there. You slide that right in just like that. And the bag slides right in and up and locks in position, and then the door goes on just like that. The air will then go through the vac motor, and as it's exhausted, it comes out through this certified HEPA filter, which has a serial number on here, the part number, and it says true HEPA. So this is cleanable and replaceable. You'll clean and or replace it as needed depending upon how often it's being used and the dirt level you're picking up. So that pops right back on there like that, and you're good to go. If you look on the control panel here, the on-off switch is on the actual unit, not in the handle, which is a big plus. We don't have the extra complications of having power going through the handle or an exposed switch that can be damaged. It's on the dashboard here and protected. There's also a bag full / clog indicator light that glows brightly red when there's any obstruction or if the bag is full.